In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple catering sales funnel with a menu page, an order form, and a confirmation page. We'll be building this funnel from start to finish inside the funnel section, and the goal is to give potential customers a smooth path from browsing your catering packages to placing an order and then scheduling the next step. This setup works especially well if you want to keep the buying process organized and easy to follow. To begin, go to Sites, then Funnels, and click Create New Funnel. This is where you'll build the full customer journey page by page. Now think of your funnel as a guided sequence. Instead of sending people to a general website and hoping they find what they need, you're leading them through a clear, intentional process. For the first page, create your menu or catalog page. Use a storefront template for this step. A storefront layout is ideal because it's designed to display products in a clean, visually appealing way, which is exactly what you want for catering packages. Once the page is in place, add a product list element. This will allow you to showcase your available catering options so visitors can easily browse what you offer. Make sure the presentation is clear and easy to scan, since this page is your customer's first impression of the offer. Next, move on to the second page, which is your order form page. Drag in an order form element so customers can submit their order directly through the funnel. This is the page where browsing turns into action, so it's important that the form is straightforward and easy to complete. In the order form settings, make sure order bump is enabled. This feature gives you the chance to offer a simple add-on during checkout, such as an extra dessert for a small additional fee. It's a great way to increase order value without making the process feel complicated, because the customer can add it with minimal effort. Finally, create your thank you or confirmation page. On this page, add a success message so customers know their order was completed properly. This confirmation helps build trust and reassures them that everything went through successfully. In that same message, include a link to your calendar so they can schedule a final consultation or choose a delivery time. This is an important final touch because it keeps the momentum going and makes the next step convenient for the customer. Once these three pages are connected, you'll have a clean and effective catering